In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an app in ERPNext. Whether you've installed an app that you no longer need or just want to tidy up your ERPNext environment, removing an app is a straightforward process. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is head over to your browser and navigate to the site https://frappycloud.com. This is where you'll log in to gain access to your ERPNext instance. Once the page loads, you'll find the login button, usually positioned at a prominent place on the screen. Click on it and enter your credentials. If everything is correct, you'll be directed to your main dashboard. Now that you're on your dashboard, the next step is to open your site dashboard. This might be the most familiar screen for you if you've been working with ERPNext for a while. Here, you'll find a visual layout of your environment with various options that let you manage and customize your settings. Once you're in your site dashboard, turn your attention to the left sidebar. This is where you'll find the Installed Apps section. Click on it to bring up a list of all the apps currently installed in your ERPNext environment. This list is vital when you're looking to manage or uninstall apps, as it gives you an overview of what's currently active within your system. Now, browse through the list of installed apps and find the one you want to remove. Common examples might include apps like HRMS or education, depending on what you've added over time. Once you've identified the specific app you no longer need, direct your attention to the right side of the app's name. Here, you'll notice a trash icon or a button labeled Remove. This is your primary tool for uninstalling the app. Click on the trash icon or the Remove button next to the app you wish to delete. It's designed to ensure that you don't accidentally remove something important. After clicking, you'll be prompted to confirm this action. Confirming is a critical step, as it gives you a last chance to reconsider or check that you're removing the correct app. By confirming the removal, your task is completed. The app will now be uninstalled from your ERPNext environment. Remember, taking these steps will help keep your system clean and efficient, removing any unnecessary clutter from apps you no longer need. It's always a good idea to regularly assess the utility of your currently installed apps to maintain an optimized workspace. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped make the process of removing apps in ERPNext a little bit clearer for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy guides.